gathered here today outside the Chinese embassy in London in protest of the Dege Dam project. On Hakka Wednesday, we gather to shout for the rights of our Tibetans whose lands are being stolen from them, their homes are being destroyed. Over 1,000 Tibetans in Kamdege have been beaten and arrested. These atrocities need to stop. Tibetans deserve their lands and their homes to be safe.
If the dam project goes ahead, thousands of Tibetans will be displaced. Thousands of Tibetans will lose their ancestral lands. Lands that their ancestors have called home for thousands of years. Ancient monasteries that have existed longer than entire Chinese empires will be submerged and cease to exist as a result of China's hydro dam.
Year after year, Tibet is being ranked as the least free country in the world. Civil and human rights are continuously dropping to new lows.
Yet against all odds, under China's brutal rule, Tibetans are bravely sharing their courageous resistance against injustice, against the attempted erasure of Tibetan identity. Today, we protest in solidarity with our Tibetan brothers and sisters, and we will keep fighting to end the dam project that will displace thousands of Tibetan brothers and sisters.